don't throw away these orange peels. Here's why. We all know that oranges are good for our health, mainly due to their high vitamin C content. They are also packed with vitamin A and B, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, soluble fiber and other nutrients. Number 1. Improve skin tone. Skin blemishes and dark spots can be reduced with orange peels. They work as a natural bleacher that helps improve your skin tone. Furthermore, their vitamin C content maintains your skin's suppleness, prevents dullness, and adds a healthy glow. It even protects the skin from harmful ultraviolet sun rays. Number 2. Fights aging signs. The powerful antioxidants in orange peels fight off free radicals. These free radicals damage healthy skin cells, which accelerates skin aging and promotes wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. Number 3. Removes blackheads and whiteheads. Being slightly abrasive in nature, orange peel powder works as a natural exfoliating agent that can remove dirt and dead skin cells from your skin. This helps prevent the formation of blackheads and whiteheads. It even reduces the occurrence of acne. Number 4. Whitens teeth. Fresh orange peels can also reduce the yellow ting accumulated on your teeth. The peel contains a compound known as D-limonene that helps reduce teeth staining, especially smoking stains. Simply rub the inside of the orange peel, the white portion, over your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. Then rinse your mouth and teeth with lukewarm water. Do this twice daily until you are satisfied with the results. Number 5. Aids weight loss. Orange peels can help us lose weight. Many nutritional components of oranges are present in the peel, especially vitamin C. This antioxidant vitamin helps burn fat. In your weight loss diet, include orange peel tea instead of coffee and sodas.